Guys, Fatboy, 6 pill 454. This one is from Mr. Darren. I have one more, just like this one that came in with it. This one is sold. Again, 6 pill 454. So with the 4 pill, I generally tell people 60 to 75 watts worth of drive. With the 6 pill, usually 80 to 105, 110. And then with the 8 pill, between 120 and 140. Now we're going to be hitting it with the 29 with the RFX 95 on the back of it. You guys know from previous videos it does about 35 watts average, around 100 watts PEP. Just depends. Sometimes 100, 105, just depends on the voltage we have it set at. And that's what we're going to drive into this guy. So generally the 2 pills do around 300, the 4s 5 or 6. And then the 6, some people have claimed to see 1,000 out of these. Generally, I see somewhere around 800 watts, give or take, out of the 6 pill 454. So the 8 usually does around 1,100, 1,250. I guess if you push this one harder, you could probably get up there around 9. But we probably got it set up for around 800 watts right now, give or take. So 14.9 is where we're at. Good thing about these, they don't draw a lot of current. They run really cool. They don't need as much cooling as a 2879. So if you have a 6 pill 2879, it's actually going to run a little bit warmer than this. Yes, it's going to do a little bit more power, but the 454 seems to withstand the heat a little better, even though it is a lower output power transistor. So show you how much it's drawing here. Let's give it some dead key. About an 80 watt dead key. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. Hello. 54, 53 amps. And I just tell you guys, this box is doing a good bit of average power. I guess the way they've got it tuned, it's doing a little bit more average, probably a little bit less peak. But the average power on this thing is outstanding. With about 35 watts average going in. Got about an 80 watt dead key there. Hello. And easily 400 average. Hello. Audio 1, 2, 3. Audio 1, 2, 3. Talking in the 300s. And audio in over 400 average. Now let's check the PEP. Bottom scale still. Audio 1, 2, 3. Audio. Right there close to 800 watts PEP. Just shy of 800. Audio 1, 2, 3. Audio 1, 2, 3. Audio 1, 2, 3. Audio. So it's actually doing more average power than I'm used to seeing. It's doing about 100 watts more average than what I would typically expect out of one of these. It's doing slightly less PEP. So if you're asking me which I'd rather have, I would definitely rather have more average power than PEP. Again, it's doing around 400 watts average, which is absolutely outstanding. And doing a little bit less PEP, it's doing about, 790, 780 PEP. But if I want it for my own personal use, the average power is what I would be more focused on. Still within the parameters what I expect to see out of these, so not concerned a bit, especially with that average power being so high and drawing about 50 amps worth of current, 55 amps worth of current there. So good running amp, should make him a nice one. I do have one more of these for anybody that's interested. Basically no wait time aside from time it takes me to get a video and get it shipped out. But I do have one more of these ready right now. Again, I'd run between 80, maybe 105, 110 watts PEP into it and let it do its thing. Dead key wise on these, probably between 75 and 100 watts dead key. And that'll be about it, guys. Questions, comments, shoot me a text, 423-299-3535. Fatboy, 6 pill 454. Catch you guys out there. See you, bye.